Welcome to this Express full body Pilates mat workout where you won't need any additional equipment besides you and the mat. This is a beginner level 1 class, perfect for any level really, especially if you're working on your Pilates flow. Because if you're short on time and you want an effective workout, then we want to start moving a little bit quicker with your Pilates practice, but still get the benefits of each and every exercise. And that's what this workout is going to focus on. If you're ready to get started, join me on the mat. Let's go ahead and begin kneeling. Tuck through your toes, spread wide with your fingers, and just start rocking back and forward. So this first motion, if it feels a little bit too intense on the wrists, back off of how much you're rocking forward. Adjust your dial of intensity throughout this class so each movement is just right for you today. Keep the shoulders over the hands and dip the elbows down. Press up. Dip the elbows down. Press up. And continue to breathe deeply. Deep breathing throughout the session, linking movement to breath. We'll keep your elbows straight this next time. Round through your spine, press back. Round, natural curves. Extend through the spine, press. Come back up, natural curves. Round, press back. Extend, press back. So just warming up through with the spine. Last time like this. Small extension, press back. Maintain natural curves. Take one hand to the shoulder. Slow it down, rotation, and then thread underneath. Now, if you'd like, when you rotate, you can extend your arm up. My body's not feeling that today. So when I rotate, I'm going to keep my hand on my shoulder. What is your body feeling like? The full arm extension or hand to shoulder? Let's do one last time. Very nice. Switch sides. Second side. Remember, the hand can stay on the shoulder when we rotate, or arm can reach to ceiling. What feels nice for you right now? And keep breathing, keep moving, nothing forced in this movement. One last time. Very nice. Both hands underneath you. Press back and forward. Now it's like a little baby rock. We're going to take up that dial of intensity a little bit. Press back, stay here, press into the feet. Maybe you hover your knees. Rock forward and back. You decide how much you go back and forward. If the knees are hovered, more work in the legs, or you're simply pressing into your feet more, knees staying down, and you'll still engage the legs more that way. 2 more times. 2 and 1. Pause, straighten the legs. Find your plank. Rock forward and back. Snap, crackle, pop in the ankles. Pause, slow down. We count down 4, 3, 2, stay down 1. Small spine extension with the hands. Lower down. Small spine extension with the hands. Lower down. Last time. Lower down. Press back. Tuck the toes. Press forward, plank. Lower down. 4, 3, 2, down 1. Small spine extension. Stay up if you'd like. Open arms. Pull them back and open. Pull back and open. Take the hands underneath you. Press back. Tuck the toes. Plank or knees down. Lower down. 2, 3, 4. Small spine extension. Arms open. They close and open. Hands underneath you, knees down, press back, tuck the toes, plank. Last time, I promise. Down, 2, 3, 4, stay down. Small spine extension. Now reach one leg up and down, opposite leg. Stay right here. And reach arm to leg. Arm to leg. Opposite arm to leg. Go with your speed. It can be a little bit slower, a little bit faster. Does not have to match me. One last time. After you're even, roll onto your side. Bend through both knees. We're going to lift leg up, parallel, back, and front. Up, parallel, back, and front. The leg stays engaged the entire time. And what you're really sensing is upper body staying really still. You may even want to check it out. Upper body, abdomen, back, not moving. Just the leg. We're going to add on this next time. So reach the leg back behind you now. Circle. We're slowing it down because we want stillness in the upper body, in the torso as the leg is circling. Bent leg option today rather than straight. Go more for range of motion in hip. Still breathing deeply. Let's do a few more times in this direction. Slow with this exercise usually means we can get a little bit bigger range of motion, and that's what we're after. And now we reverse. Reach up and back and forward. Up, back. Really trying to get the thigh high open and then spiral back. Still pelvis staying really still. You can even put fingers on the pelvis. Pelvis trying not to move. Get the hip movement. Right here we open across the hip. It's like a hip stretch. Just an active version of that. 2 more times. And one last time. Very nice. Bring yourself up. You can sit in a Z position, stretch over side. Let's get a side body stretch. And then stretch over second side. And just gently move with this. Stretch and stretch. Deep breathing still. We'll come back to that on the second side. For right now, lower down on your forearm, bend through the knees or straight leg option. And hips come up, side bend over. Lower down, hips come up, side bend. Lower down, breathing. So really let your body be filled by your breath. One last time. Very nice. Roll on your second side. We'll start with bent legs. And we go up and back. Up and back. Now in this Express class, we're moving through our transitions. Come back to this class. I promise you, your body will get those transitions more quickly. And if you miss out on one repetition, that's okay too. Legs staying very straight. Feet are flexed, can help just with engaging into the total leg a little bit more. And you can stay with this open and back, or we go into our circle back, up, and around. Notice how we're slowing it down a little bit. Hand can be right near the pelvis. As a reminder, pelvis doesn't move, or you can look at your body. Upper body stays really still as thigh is circling. Deep breathing. After this exercise, we take a little stretch before our forearm side bend. So that's a nice little break. And then reverse your direction, forward, up. Woo, back now. We're really feeling maybe the leg burn out a little bit. Work the range of motion. Perfect opportunity. Fill the body with your breath. Deep, spacious breaths. Send soothing energy to the body. You got this, even though it's challenging. One last time. Very nice. Bring yourself up. Z position here, sitting nice and tall. Bend over to the side. And bend over opposite. Just flow with it. And if you want to stay in your side stretch on one side, do that. And play with where your head is. Lots of options here. Very nice. Come onto forearm, bent leg, or straight. Lift up, lower down. Lift, lower down. Deep breathing, almost there. And one last time. Wonderful work. Have a seat now, sitting nice and tall. Reach arms in front of you, reverse. Roll down just part way. We're in the abs and roll right back up. Lift and extend spine. Take this at your own pace. I wouldn't go too quickly with this, especially savor the spine extension. Savor, savor, and then that reverse. Roll back. Now we're adding on reverse roll back. Stay here. Reach arms forward. Extend one leg. Go up and down. Isolate the work into the leg. Just a few more times. We got 3, 2, 1. We're not done. Pull the thigh in, push. Pull the thigh in and push. Just 2 and 1. Leg returns. Reach and lift yourself up. Lower down part way. Legs straight. Up and forward. Up and forward. Hands can come down as an assist. You can even be on your forearms. Keep the leg up, bend in, push, in and push. Working the hip is not a bad thing. Strong hips are a good thing for a body. Still focusing center, abs as well. Keep legs straight, replace, reach and lift. Roll all the way down, press into arms and feet. Let's do pelvic lift. Hips come up, lower down. Hips up, lower down. Now as you continue, can you shift more work into the legs, less work onto the head and neck? So can you shift your weight into your legs? Now we're going to stay up. We're going to dip the left hip down, dip it up. Right hip down and up. So we're alternating sides. We're not keeping the pelvis even. And if you don't like this, it feels not good for your body, go back to your even lifts. Now we're going to stay on one side. Keep your left hip to dip down and parallel. Down, pick up. So left hip goes down, pick it up, down and up. 2. Switch sides. Right hip goes down and up, down and up. Relax in the shoulders, keep the work and weight in the legs. Now, equal weight in pelvis and feet. Lower partway down and up, just half and up. We're still into the legs. Really find that up range of motion, letting ribs stay relaxed. 2, keep it up, and we go. Pulse it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep pulsing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and up and up and up and breathing. Soften in the shoulders. Fill body with breath. Few more times. Last 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Lower all the way down. Very nice. Curl into yourself, pull both thighs in, reach one leg long and switch and switch. We're gonna go fast with this switches for single leg stretch. You can slow it down, but really sense stable in center body. Keep the legs moving lower, shoulders and head down. Keep it up. Maybe the legs have to lift a little higher when shoulders and head are down. That's okay. It's about sensation, not about how low the legs are getting to the floor. Another deep breath here. Pause, pull both thighs in, curl up, reach legs long, arms reach long, pull in. Arms and legs reach long, pull in. Low spine stays on the mat. Now we add on, reach, arms, legs long, legs only, open, close, pull in. Reach, legs only, open, close, pull in. Reach, open, close, pull in, 2, and 1. Now shoulders head down, keep it up. Just legs, open, close, pull in. Reach, open, close, pull in. Arms, stay still. Again, maybe legs go a little bit higher. Maybe you want to go all the way to the ceiling so you work and stretch in inner thighs a little bit more. That's a nice sensation. Not as much abs, but stretching, engaging inner thighs. Never a bad idea. 2 more times. Last one. Stay pulled in, roll like a ball. Inhale, exhale. We're nearing the end. This is the home stretch. Massage the back. 2 more times. Stay up, cross the legs, extend the spine. Round the spine. Maybe you want to bring the hands together as you extend your spine. Reach arms up. And then round. Or maybe hands stay on legs. I want you to follow what you want right now. One last time. Natural curves. Reach arms up, extend the legs, switch the cross of the legs, reach arms forward, slow it down, rotate, and center, slow it down, rotate, and center. Deep breathing. Very nice. Stretch yourself forward, reach, bend over to one side, bring yourself up. Stretch forward again. Bend over second side. Bring yourself up. Just keep going option. If you don't like this flowing, then just stay in your forward stretch. There's plenty of times I would opt into that. Only you know what you need right now. Maybe another breath here. Take a deep breath in and out. And notice how you're feeling now compared to the very beginning of session. Energizing Express Pilates class. I hope it was just what you needed. Have a beautiful day and join me on the mat soon.